Discover the seamless automation of the measuring process from start to finish with the Polyworks package. Through Data Loop, our digital collaboration platform, accessing pieces or projects is simplified by searching for their properties. Once you open an inspection project in Polyworks from Data Loop, you are effortlessly guided through the measuring process following an easily built-up customized workflow. With this optimized process in Polyworks, you can shortcut repetitive tasks and automate commands such as creating or opening pieces, defining properties such as serial numbers and piece names, and even selecting the operator name from a predefined drop-down list. Initiating the measuring sequence and connecting to the necessary hardware. Automatically upload the result directly to Data Loop. With Polyworks, you can customize every project. The great benefits of automated workflows are to eliminate the risks of typing errors and missing steps along the way. Operators, regardless of their level of experience, can confidently run measurement processes. The program guides them through each step, making inspection accessible to all.